Hey guys, it's Jen, and welcome to another episode on Grow and Glow.
Woohoo! Hey guys, it's Jen, and this is my husband Dave. As you saw, I did my Candid molds for my teeth and sent them into the lab. I got confirmation that my teeth are acceptable to be part of their program, and we actually received multiple follow-up communication from Candid since then, and we even did a video call with one of their consultants who kind of walked us through the entire process, as well as explained different aspects of the treatment program, everything from how my teeth will actually become aligned, reminding me that I have to do a 10-day check-in so that the orthodontist who is in charge of my plan can check how my teeth are doing and make adjustments as he sees fit, as well as payment options and payment plan doodads. So we finally received the actual aligners, and we're gonna do an unboxing together, and I guess we'll try them out. I brushed my teeth so they are nice and clean. Ding! Alright, let's open it. Are you excited, husband?
Yeah, I'm stoked.
Yeah, I'm...
You gotta open it from the bottom.
Oh, okay. So I pretty much have the best husband for being so thoughtful and thinking of this for me. Okay.
Let's get things started.
Straight.
Oh. Let's get things straight.
Okay, so you might remember the first box I received was this one. This contained all the trays and the putty and things I needed to make the molds. So the really cool thing about this treatment plan is they send a scanner and do like a snapshot every 10 days so that they can monitor how your alignment is going. This is the dental monitoring device. And how am I supposed to do this?
I think you...
Scan box. Oh, this is very cute.
Yeah, I think you put the mouth things in and
yeah, so I put it in like
put your
that.
phone in this cage.
Ah, okay. Like that, you put the phone in and then you snapshot it and then send it to the orthodontist.
We should probably read the directions.
Yeah, we will read the directions before we actually do this. Here's the box that contains the aligners. Let's see. Oh boy. Alright, so I received an 8-month plan. 8 months. And I'm supposed to have a straighter smile. Here's what's inside the box. Here is the aligner box. And then you see first step. I'll cut this in. That's the first set of aligners. Teeth whitener. And a case for the aligners. These are the first set of aligners. Let's open those. So I'm supposed to wear these 22 hours a day. The only time I'm supposed to take them off is when I eat. So 3 times a day when I eat. How do I know which one's top and bottom?
Well, you gotta look at, that's the top because you can see your tooth there. That kind of...
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, do I just put them in?
Well, no.
We're gonna quickly read some instructions. We'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna try this dental scan monitoring system. I'm supposed to be in front of a mirror, which I am. There's a mirror in front of me here, and Dave here is gonna help. We watched the video on how to do it. It doesn't seem too complicated, but...
You never know. Jen doesn't like reading directions.
No, I don't.
So.
Also, when I was doing the mold, this requires me to actually wear these mouth stretch, what are these called? Mouth stretch.
Mouth retractor. Mouth
retractor thing. And y'all remember when I did the molds and had to wear one, I was drooling everywhere. Maybe I should get a towel for this. Okay, I brought a towel because we know I'll probably be drooling. First step.
This goes down.
Double tap to continue. Like that?
Yeah, so right side first.
This is why Dave is helping me. I don't look at directions.
You're gonna end up with no teeth if you don't look at directions.
Okay, what?
Open your mouth.
Huh?
No. This paddle goes into your right cheek.
Oh.
No, right cheek first. Okay. And then... There you go.
Oh my god, that's scary. Do I want to show you people this?
Okay, there you go.
It hurts my gums.
Bite down on your back teeth and keep your teeth together.
Okay.
Tap to continue.
So first we're gonna bite down on the back teeth. Okay. It has to lock in place when you hear the clips.
Yes.
Okay.
Double tap to continue.
Okay. So we're gonna double tap.
Bite down. Shift the scan box to one side.
Which side?
Shift it
Now
to
shift the
the
scan
right.
box to the other side.
Toward the left, to the left.
Back to
going.
the center.
Back to the center. Keep going to the...
For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side. Double tap to continue.
Okay, when it says side to side, you gotta
The half.
move kind of fast, but make sure you get all the way over to your back teeth over here.
Okay. The half.
Double tap to open your mouth slightly and keep your teeth apart. Shift the scan box to one side.
Go.
Now shift the scan box to the other side.
Keep going, keep going.
Back to the center.
You're not getting the back to the corners.
For this next step, you'll have to open wide and scan up and down. Double tap to continue.
Mouth thing.
Open your mouth as wide as you can. Tilt the scan box up. Now tilt the scan box down. Back to the front. Insert your aligners. Double tap to continue.
Look.
No. That's,
Uh-uh.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh! 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 Oh, hi.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This feels very strange. Okay, now, and now I have to, do I have to put this back in? No, Miss Hubby, sorry.
I don't know. I think so. It never said to take that thing out.
Oh, okay, shoot. Hard to do with your aligners on.
Double tap to continue.
Okay, almost there, lady. Okay, did I get it?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. How do I get in?
For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side. Double
Okay.
tap to continue. Open your mouth slightly and keep your teeth apart. Shift the scan box to one side.
To the right. Keep going, keep going.
Now, shift the scan box to the other side.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Back to the center. We're done. You can now remove your cheek retractor.
Okay, so hold the tabs down.
Oh,
Pull that forward. There you go.
oh,
And then move the cheek retractor.
oh. Wow, this feels... Babe, I'm gonna be talking like this all the time now. Alright, so I have the aligners in. Definitely feel like I got something on my teeth. Does it start sounding more normal though?
Yeah,
like
after a while. Yeah.
Like my mouth will get used to it? Are you gonna be okay living with this for 8 months?
For 8 months?
Okay. Well, it's better.
I'll be okay living with it for 8 months.
And for 8 months.
It's okay with me.
But at least it's not braces, you know? Like it's not wires.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so I sent your scans in, so right after you do the whole scan process and they check the aligners and everything, you just kind of look at all the photos, run through the process, and then send the scan to the orthodontist. I sent the scan, and I'm getting a message now saying that she has another scan on July 29th, so that'll be her next checkup.
okay. Oy. Okay, my initial thoughts and conclusion is that you definitely need a second person to help with this because by golly, I don't know if I could do this by myself.
Yeah.
All this like putting things in and out and scanning. Oh, it's too much for me.
So the aligners come with a whitener, and it's just like a tiny bit of foam that goes into the clear aligners over the duration of your treatment plan, which could be like 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, just depending on how they think your initial scans went. And then there's like a little card in here that tells you how to apply the whitener into the liners before you put them in for the day. So we'll probably work on that.
Babe, it's hard to get them out.
Yeah.
How do I get them out safely?
I'd pull down from the back sides first. Get the back unhooked. And then start pulling around.
Okay, so these actually adhere really tightly to your teeth. When I was pulling it off just now, I was almost afraid that it was going to pull my tooth out.
Oh, so apparently there's a pull tool somewhere.
Yeah, this guy.
Yes, that's for the aligners. It also comes with an aligner guide, which we haven't read yet. So that's probably, a step that you don't want to overlook, because that'll tell you how to properly do everything. So that's cool. So if you see here what's in the kit, your remote monitoring system, an aligner case, and then your whitening foam, your aligner pull tool to help get your line off, and then you also have these little chewies that help put your aligners in. So that's what all is going to come with it. So kids, the lesson that can be learned from this story when you're spending over $2,000 on something to help you cosmetically, read the directions first.
Thank you, Dr. Dave.
You're welcome. I'm here Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Saturdays, I'm not working.
I don't think a half pump is possible. Oh, it smells minty.
Ooh.
Minty fresh. All right.
Set them in. So, and then I'd line up your front tooth first and just kind of get it on there. There you go. Okay. And then start kind of pressing around. You can kind of use a little C grip to kind of push them around the tooth. Get them seated in there.
I'm gonna take the greenie.
Take the greenies and then put those in and just start chomping down on them.
Alright.
So they seat. Your front one still has a little room to go on the front teeth. Yeah. Still needs to go up more.
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Almost. Alright.
Oh, okay. This is week 1.
Week one.
Okay, guys. So, if you want to follow along on this journey of my teeth getting straight, subscribe to my channel, and you can check out my playlist for the Candid aligners. I'll do update to see how much progress we're making and whether we're on the right track, so you can follow along this 8-month journey with me. Let's get a straight smile.
Yay!
Keep on growing and glowing, guys. Bye.